한목대다 매 앞으로 보비겐 티암나따라 암녹처링 시아이나 아기 채널도 부자리부 타오라마시 Canadian speak Manipuri 하이가 타오라마시니. So with me I have an amazing person, Adrian. How are you doing today?
I'm good.
Good. So basically what we're trying to do today is like I'm gonna teach you how to speak my language, right? And you're gonna try speaking exactly the same like the way I speak. Oh yeah, so
Yeah, probably won't happen.
I have so I have 6 sentences on my screen. The first one is what is your name, right? So let's start it. It's Nangi.
Nangi?
Oh wow, people can't really say Nang. Really?
Because it's Nang, right?
Nang.
Instead of
Yeah,
Nang.
yeah, wow. Yeah, that's amazing. Most of the people that I've had on my show can't really say the word Nang because like ngang. They just twist their own tongue. Yeah, Nangi.
Nangi?
Ming.
Ming?
Ming.
Where is your tongue?
M-I-N-G. Ming. My tongue is here.
I get it. Ming?
No. Yeah.
So,
Nangi.
Nangi?
Okay. You're potentially failing this test.
No, wait, we're getting there.
Okay, you're getting there. Nangi.
Nangi?
Ming. Yeah, perfect. Kari. Kauge.
What?
Kauge.
Koge.
Yeah, that's right. Kauge.
So, Nangi?
Ming. Kari. Kauge.
Koge.
Perfect. Yeah, that's what is your name in Manipuri.
So, Nangi Mang.
Ming. Kari. Kauge.
Kari Koge.
Yeah, perfect. So you got 1 point. Okay, the next one is how are you, right? Nang. Nungai.
Nunai?
Oh yeah, perfect. That's the hard part. You can't say nai, like it's ngai.
Noi.
Ngai.
Nor. It's like a way to put your mouth.
Like you were sitting across the ocean. Nang. Nu. Ngai.
Nai.
Ngai.
Nor.
Ngai.
But that's it's exactly like nai, but you do like a little.
No, this is it's not really. I'm just trying to carry it with the flow, like ngai.
Ngai.
Yeah, perfect.
Oh, okay,
yeah,
so
ngai. Yeah, exactly. Nungai. Ribo. Yeah, perfect. Nungai ribo.
Nungai ribo.
Oh, perfect. Exactly. Nungai ribo.
That hurts my tongue.
That hurts your tongue? Wow. Yeah, and the next thing is how old are you? It comes all the time. You is like, we say you first, right? Nang. So it's like a reverse thing.
Yeah.
Compared to English.
It's like
So
saying
nang.
you are how old.
Oh yeah,
instead.
you are how old? Yeah, something like that. So nang. Chahi.
Chahi.
Kaya. Surage.
Surege.
Yeah, perfect.
Nang kahi sagas. Sagas surege.
Sahi.
Sahi.
Sahi. Chahi.
Kaya.
Surage.
Surage.
Perfect. Yeah, exactly.
So
Canadians are
nang
really good in speaking Manipuri.
But I'm French Canadian too, and I speak
so
French. It's
that's
probably like
more
English
amazing.
Canadian.
More amazing. Yeah. And the next thing is, where are you from, right?
Yeah.
Nang. It comes all the time. Nang all the time. Nang. Kai Dagino.
Kai dagino.
Perfect. Wow. Boom. One shot. Kai Dagino. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, you want to try it again? Nang Kai Dagino.
Nang kai dagino.
Wow. Exactly. Super fast. And the next thing is, have you had your meal, right? Because whenever I say nang, it's completely informal. We speak between friends and to our juniors. We can't say that.
Like
to
it's not
elders.
formal?
It's not completely formal. It's kind of a formal thing. Like it is acceptable, but not to that crazy level of speaking to our elders like nang, like you know. It's not really acceptable. And the next thing is, have you had your meal, right? Nang. Chak.
Chalk?
Charabo.
Charabo?
Yeah, perfect. Nang chak charabo. Like, can you boom? Like,
Nang chak charabo.
nang
I need to like concentrate.
like angry, like when you come to my place, you can't really say how behind you. You're like, nang chak charabo. You look like
It's like your mom.
This girl's angry.
It's like your mom getting angry at you
Yeah.
because you didn't eat today.
Yeah, like nang chak charabo.
Nang chak charabo.
Yeah, boo. Why you have to do all that?
I don't know. Nang chak charabo.
Yeah, you literally have to take all the skins down like nang chak charabo. The next thing is at what time you are coming. Nang
Nang?
all the time. When you come to my place, you say the word nang. It's okay. It means something. Yeah, we all start with nang all the time. It comes in informal way.
Yeah.
It's nang.
Nang?
Pung.
Pung?
Pung means time. Kayada.
Kayada?
Lakani.
Lakani.
Yeah, nang pung kayada lakani.
Nang pung kayada lakani.
Yeah, nang pung. Yeah, like completely high. Like nang pung. That's so funny. Yeah, that's amazing. You wanna try it again? Like nang pung kayada lakani. Nang okay.
Nang pung kayada lakani.
Oh yeah, perfect. That's correct. Yeah.
There's something else though.
Oh yeah, that's amazing.